Hi, my name is Adrienne Mercado, and I am a former student for TAMA. Let me tell you a little bit something about Coach David. He is a very kind and compassionate man, and how can I say this? He pays very strong attention to detail. He absolutely loves his students. He loves the craft, and he always finds roles for his students that fit them best and helps develop their character. And like I said, he's very, very attentive to detail, and that's awesome about him. I met him about a year and a half ago, and I am a former student now. I am represented by Model and Talent Management with John Casablancas, and I honestly feel I wouldn't have ever had the courage to even attempt to try to be in the industry. But meeting David and getting to know him, being a part of the school, developing all these different skills and different ranges of how to bring out emotions, I could have never done that on my own. And I appreciate Coach David for everything. And he will always be my number one cheerleader. I'll always be here for him. And much success to all of his future students.